Mia. Hi. How are you? You gonna help us with eggs still or no? No? Okay.
Knock knock. Would you knock on the door?
Hi. Hi again. How are you? Okay, bye.
Do knock again. Mia!
Buddy. I thought it would take you to be a teenager to slam the door in my face. Hey! What are you doing? What? Okay, have a good day.